Hello my dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. In this session, let's try to find out area, perimeter and volume of a cuboid. A cuboid is a three-dimensional shape represented like this. Now let us start by having an overview of a cuboid. A cuboid, as we have just seen, is a three-dimensional shape which has 6 different faces, that is front face and a back face, top face, bottom face and 2 side faces. So totally there are 6 different faces. Also for the front face, suppose say it has one longer dimension and one shorter dimension. The longer dimension is called as length and represented by L, and shorter dimension is called as breadth, that is represented by B. Also, the third dimension is called as height H. So there are eight corners for a cuboid represented within the circles like this. So 7 we can see here. One more is somewhere around here. Therefore, to conclude, a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces. There are 12 edges inclusive of length, breadth and height, and 8 corners. Now, let us see how to find out the perimeter of a cuboid. Let us draw the cuboid again. So, cuboid has 6 different rectangular faces. Let us consider the first face, that is a front face, which is colored in blue here. That is, blue colored face is a front face which is inclusive of dimensions length and breadth, which is represented by L and B. Also, the backside face, which is colored in green here, that is, which is also inclusive of dimensions L and B. Back and the front faces, that is blue and the green faces, are connected by the purple colored edges, that is the 4 edges which are the height H. Therefore, the front face has 2 lengths, 2 breadths, back face has 2 lengths and 2 breadths, and the connecting edges, there are 4 edges. Therefore, the perimeter of a cuboid is equal to 4 times length plus 4 times breadth plus 4 times height, that is P is equal to 4 into L plus B plus H. Perimeter will always be in units for any shape, irrespective of it being a 2-dimensional shape or a 3-dimensional shape. Now let us see how to find out the area of a cuboid. In order to find out the lateral surface area and the total surface area of a cuboid, let us try to understand what are lateral faces. So here in the diagram we can see that there is a cuboid which is considered, and each face of a cuboid has been colored with different colors. Now, lateral faces are those faces which are surrounding the shape laterally, that is excluding the top and bottom face. That is, we can see a black colored face here. This is lateral face number 1. Now, lateral face number 2 is the green colored face, what we see here. The third face is a gray colored face. And the fourth face is a red colored face. These 4 colored faces are the lateral faces of this particular cuboid. Now let us see what are top and bottom surfaces. So here we can see a purple colored face which is there on the top. So this is the top surface. Also, the bottom surface If we rotate this particular cuboid so that the bottom surface would appear on top, so here we can see a blue colored face. This is the bottom surface. So bottom surface is blue colored and top face is purple colored. In order to find out lateral surface area, find out the area of the faces which are available laterally. So there are 4 faces. Adding the area of all 4 faces which are available laterally, we would be ending up with lateral surface area or LSA. And to this particular value, if we add the area of the top surface and the bottom surface as well, then we would be getting total surface area of this particular shape. With the understanding of lateral surface area and total surface area, so now let us try to find out LSA and TSA of a cuboid. That is, let us draw the cuboid. So the 3 dimensions are L, B and H. There were 4 lateral faces in the shape what we had just now seen. The first face being black colored face, followed by green, gray and a red colored face. These 4 faces, because they were available on 4 sides, they were called as lateral or side faces. Also, the top and bottom surfaces were purple and blue colored ones. Therefore, they were the top and bottom surfaces. So, from the diagram, here we can see that the front face of this particular shape towards us is with a combination of length and breadth. Therefore, and this second or a side face would be with a combination of breadth and height, whereas the top face would be with the combination of L and H. That is, the top and bottom face is with a combination L by H, but the side faces are with a combination of length, breadth. 2 areas are there and 2 more areas are with a combination of B and H. Therefore, the lateral surface area of this particular shape is 2 into LB plus 2 into BH, or if you take 2 common, 2 into LB plus BH. This is the LSA of cuboid. Similarly, total surface area is, to this particular area also add the area of top and bottom surfaces. That is 2 into LB plus 2 into BH plus 2 into LH. Therefore, if you take 2 common, LB plus BH plus LH. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Area of any shape, irrespective of it being a 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional shape, would always be in square units. Now, let us see how to find out the volume of the cuboid. A cuboid is with 3 dimensions, L, B and H. Volume of any shape is actually the holding capacity of the shape. That is obtained by multiplying all 3 dimensions here. That is, V is equal to length into breadth into height, or L into B into H. Therefore, V is equal to LBH. Volume will always be in cubic units. Thanks for watching the video. Take care.